Yeah, okay, so we continue our preparation to the third exercise, and this is for the differentiation. So this is our equation. So the dy dx plus 2y equals to x minus 1, and we're going to solve to find the value of y when the value of x equals to 0.6, with the initial condition y0 equals to 1 and the step size is 0.3. Okay, and the formula is like this, and you can get this formula by looking up to our previous meeting about the Euler method. Okay, and okay, so I will make this equation become like this: dy, wait a moment, dy dx plus, no plus, but equals minus 2y plus x minus 1. Okay, so yeah, so I've just put the 2y, positive 2y, from the left side to the right side, so it becomes negative. Okay, now we answer. The first thing you need to do is the first thing you need to do is making the table. So this is for the xy, and then this is the line. Okay, so yeah, this is for the x0, this is for the y0, and y0 and x0 is the initial value. So from the problem, we know that the initial value, the initial condition of y is 1 when the x is 0. So this is the x. So I will put x here. So this is 0. X0 equal to 0 because this is 0. And the y0 is 1. So this is the value of y. Yeah, so x0, y1. Okay, so this side has same meaning with this, but using different expression. Okay, yeah, so this is the same thing between this and this. So these things are the same. Okay, and then because the step is 0.3, so our x must be uh, added by 0.3. Okay, so when 0 plus 0.3, so it must be 0.3. So this is for the value of x1. Again, 0.3 plus by 0.3, and this is must be 0.6, and this is for our x2. And because we are looking for the value of the value of y when the x is 0.6, then we stop here because the x is 0.6 and we got the value of x 0.6, so we stop. We don't have to add until the next axis. Yeah, and now our job is to find the value of y1 and y2, and the value of y2 will be the answer of this problem, answer of this uh, problem. Okay, now we are going to find the value of y1. So this is y1, and we look to our formula. Yn equals to yn mean yn minus 1. So because this is the n equals to 1, yeah, because this is 1, so this is so the n must be 1. Okay, so the yn minus 1 is y1 minus 1. Okay, plus step, the step is h, so this is step f x1 minus 1 comma y1 minus 1. So our equation will be like this: y0 plus step f x0 comma y0. Yeah, our y0, the value of our y0 is 1. So I'll write down here 1 plus our step is 0.3, 0.3 times by f x0 is 0 comma, this is 0 comma 1. Okay, so we are going to find the value of this first. Okay, I will use another. I will use, okay, white color. So f. Okay, so it must be the value of x and it must be the value of y. Okay, you go to this. Okay, because if you want to find the value of x, so the form of the equation must be in this form. Okay, so all the variable must be on the right side, and then the left one, and then the left one is located, and then the left one is only the differentiation operator. So in the left side it must be only the dy dx. So that's why the reason I put the variable of y from the left side into the right side. Okay, okay, so minus 2y minus 2y plus x minus 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, and then this is for the y is 1, so this must be 1, and then for the x is 0. Okay, in this example we have the value of x, but sometimes we don't have the value of y, and sometimes we don't have value of x, only y or only x. But in this exercise we have the value of y and x. Okay, okay, so it will be 1 plus 0 minus 1. So this is minus 2 minus 1, so it must be minus 3. Okay, so we go back to our calculation. So this is 1 plus 0.3, and then because the value of f 0 comma 1 like is this, and then the value of this is minus 3, so I will bring the minus 3 here, here. Okay, so this is minus 3. Okay, so the calculation will be 1 plus minus 0.9, so I will get 0.9. So this is for the value of y1. Okay, so we put this number into this 0.1. Now we go to find the value of our y2, which is the answer of our problem. Okay, so the n equals to 2. So this is y2. Using this formula, I will get y1 plus step multiplied by f x1 comma y1. Okay, so yep, this is y1. The value of y1 is 0.1. Okay, so we put this 0.1 plus our step is 0.3 and multiplied by f x1. Okay, so our x1 is 0 0.3, 0 0.3, comma y1. So this is our y1, 0 0.1. Okay. And we're going to solve this first. So f 0 0.3 comma 0 0.1. So this is will be our x and this will be our y. Okay, and we use this equation again, minus 2y, which is this is the y, 0 0.1, plus x, which is the x is 0 0.3, and then minus 1. So we will get 0 0.1 plus, wait a moment, plus 0 0.3 minus 1. And I will get, wait a moment, minus 0 0.5. Okay, so this is x, 0 0.1 plus our step 0 0.3, and minus 0 0.5. Okay, so this is minus 0 0.5. Okay, so the 0 wait a moment, 0 0.1 plus minus 0 0.15. So the value will be 0. Wait a moment, minus 0.05. Okay, so this is our answer. So when the value of x equals to uh, 0 0.3, then the value of y is minus 0.05. So this is the answer of this problem.